Hi everyone! So welcome sa isa na naman nating chikahan. So sa video na to guys ay wala lang. Chichikahan lang tayo ng mga recent ganap sa buhay ko. So ayan, currently nandito kami sa Starbucks sa may Tomas Morato guys, and it's currently lunchtime kaya pwede tayong chumika-chika. So yun, chikahan lang tayo saglit while I'm having Starbucks. So kasama ko dito si Ate Ritz as usual, and I'm waiting kay Ate Rods. So ayun. Yun guys, actually ang daming nangyayari ngayon sa buhay ko. Ang daming mga kaganapan, and hindi ko alam kung paano ko haharapin isa-isa, pero I know naman na God is with me, and alam ko naman na hindi niya ako pababayaan. So ayun, madami akong mga challenges recently guys, and gusto ko lang malaman, no, kasi is it really a crime na maging true towards ka? Maging, ano ka ba? Totoo ka ba sa mga tao? Maging transparent ka? Kasi as a person, no guys, ako kasi, I speak what is on my mind. And hindi naman lagi, na ako niya, nakita ko gano'n, sasabihin ko agad, no. Meron akong mga points, like kunyari, 80% ng pasensya ko naubos mo na, so I'm gonna speak up, and sasabihin ko sa'yo na napapansin ko to, and sabi ko nga, I am very confrontational person, and sasabihin ko sa'yo, if I have problem sa'yo, sasabihin ko sa'yo I have problem with you. And people often misinterpret that kind of behavior of mine na nagiging bastos. Pero guys, is it bastos to speak what's on your mind? To confront someone and tell them na, hey, you're damaging my emotional health. Na, like, example guys. I'll give you an example. Kunyari, sa isang place, people are gossiping about you. People are telling rude things about you na hindi mo alam guys, na i-chismis, and then malalaman mo afterwards na ito'y pala sinabi sa'yo, tapos ganito mo sila pinakasamahan guys for the longest time, for this specific kind of timeline, diba guys? Narato mo naman sila ng tama, ginawa mo yung mga expectation nila, tapos on that one particular mistake, I don't think pala na it's a mistake guys. On that one particular thing na sinabi mo sa kanila na, hey, guys, I'm hearing this kind of stuffs. And then, notice ko na ganito, ganyan. And then, I confront someone. Siyempre, kasi for the longest time, I know naman na it runs. And naging habit na siya. Naging standard na. So, parang yung people feeling nila tama yung ganon na behavior, no? Feeling nila okay yung ganon, so parang nami-misinterpret nila yung confrontational mo into pagiging bastos. So comment down below guys if that's bastos, na you will tell someone na, hey, you're damaging my mental health, I'm hearing this kind of stuff. Is it true na sinabi mo to? And sila pa mismo ang nagsabi guys sa akin na, hey, wag mong kimkimin. After this conversation, after this meeting, dapat we're good. Okay na tayo guys. Pero hindi siya nangyari. People start to judge you on your back. to speak bad, to speak ill about you behind your back. And alam nyo guys, and in my 20s, oh my god, 25 years of existence, so sabi ng ibang bata mo pa, ang dami mo pa malatutunan, ang dami pa mahaharap, ganyan guys. I think enough with the challenges naman, ano. And I'm in my early age, I lost my parents. Naging breadwinner ako ng family. I need to support my family. Hindi naman full support, guys. But I need to support them when it comes to the bills, the electric bills, sa internet bills, sa mga water. And sometimes, tinutulungan naman ako ng mga kapatid ko when they have money. Pero alam niyo naman guys na ang responsibility, it takes stability. So it means na kailangan stable ka sa job. Kasi pag hindi ako nagtrabaho, who is gonna support the family, right? Saan sila kukuha ng pagkain? Saan sila kukuha ng ganito, ganyan, chuchuchu. And all of my siblings are studying, guys. And that's the misconception ng ibang tao sa akin. Kasi feeling nila I'm too strong enough para pagsabihan nila na mga ganito, sabihan nila na mga chu-chu-chu-chu. Nakakala nila it's okay with me. Pero since I am very confrontational person, nga sabi ko sa inyo guys, I will speak to you na, hey, you're damaging my health, you're damaging my keme-keme, diba? And so forth, so on. So, yeah. Please do go and comment down below if that's bad so that I can assess myself.